Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Weird Preps that people don't normally think about but might actually be useful and relatively affordable. And yeah, there you go. So when we talk about prepping and things like, you know, things going a little bit pear-shaped, we always talk about having a different way of cooking. Okay, so preparing food and such like. And the one that everybody tends to go towards is outdoor cooking, which is reasonable, okay, because not all of us have wood fires, not all of us have chimneys. Most modern buildings these days are built without chimneys, so you can't even have a wood fire unless you put it in yourself and have the chimney built, etc. It's very expensive, causes a lot of issues. However, we are building an outdoor kitchen. We're doing this specifically because this is what we want to do. So over the last few years, I've been purchasing some bits and pieces that I thought would actually be really, really useful. Now, number one, you're going to want something to help you light your charcoal. Now, this is a charcoal starter. You put your bits of charcoal and stuff in there. You put up all newspaper and stuff in there. Light it from there. It lights the charcoal. And then you don't have to deal with it. You can tip it right underneath. When it comes to these, though, can I just say to you, cheaper is not better. Make an investment and spend the 20 to 25 quid to get a decent one. It won't burn through, it won't rust as quickly, and it will last you a lot longer. Okay? So there you go. That's what it is. It's a charcoal starter. It's so simple, even a kid can do it. I mean, they shouldn't. I mean, unless they had adult supervision. Right, number two. You got your charcoal started. But you got no safe place to put your Dutch oven. So we get one of these. Now this is a pot holder for a fire pit or for cooking in fire. And the reason that I got this one and not a cheap ass one is this one can hold 100 kilos. Now, why would I want something like this to hold a 100 kilo pot? Well, let me tell you, it's because if in a situation we had an extended amount of electricity outage, I would need to deal with everything that's in the fridge and freezer, which means in my case, I would have to can it mostly. Obviously, the meat can be dealt in other ways, but the quickest and safest and easiest way to do it is water bath can it. Those pots are heavy. If you've got a 25 litre pot, that's going to hold 25 litres of water. That doesn't include the weight of the pots and the ingredients that are inside it. You want to have something that's going to be at least 2 or 3 times more than what you're going to put on top of it at its absolute heaviest. Flip side of that, works as a wok cooker. You can put your little fry pan on it. You can do whatever you want. And it's not right on the flames. You don't have to worry about it. And you can sit it there and away you go. 20 to 25 quid for one of them. Yeah, most outdoor places have them. And this one, you're going to want to get the tops off your pots, right? Afterwards, especially the Dutch ovens and stuff. And can I tell you, hot cloths, those little oven mitt things, they're absolute shite when it comes to a Dutch oven that's been on a fire pit. Don't even bother, because it'll burn straight through. You need to get hot cloth and you need to get one of these. This will lift your lid right off safely, and you can put it to the side in the gravel or in a pot of water, whatever you got, you know, just something away from you that you're not grabbing it with. One of these will set you back about £18, which I think is quite cheap, considering you wouldn't have me getting 3rd or 4th degree burns, you know, 2nd degree burns or whatever. You know, so there you go. Prepping's not all about food. Sometimes it's about cooking it and having the stuff to do it properly. Get out there and do it.